step forward as the right foot comes in between the two hands. Left hand is planted, right hand is reaching up. Finding your drishti, finding that strength in the legs, pushing all the way up to our twisted high lunge. Inhale as you exhale, you can tip it back, engaging the glutes and engaging the core here to protect the lower back. And as you next exhale, cartwheel the hands, we're opening up. Warrior two facing the left side of the mat. Gazes forward, inhale. As you exhale, send it back, peaceful warrior. You can bring that left hand behind your back. Maybe even grabbing the right thigh with the left hand. Inhaling. As we exhale, right hand comes down to the mat. You can also bring it to block if you have it, as we reach the left hand up. Extended side angle. Inhale. And we move on the exhale, pressing into the right foot, sending it back to our peaceful warrior, optional bind.